All right, YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about web design, and the subject is hypertext markup language, otherwise known as HTML. Yeah, that's right. We're doing this the hard way. If you want to compete, you do it the hard way. Let's get started. Now, a brief history on HTML. It's based off the standard SGML, which stands for Standard General Purpose Markup Language. It was developed in 1986. HTML was originally developed in 1989, but the official standards that we are used to started in 1993 with HTML 1.0 in 1993, HTML 2.0 in 1995, HTML 3.2 in 1997, HTML 4.0 also in 1997, HTML 4.01 in 1999, and finally HTML5 in 2008. We will be using the 2008 version of HTML in future videos. Alright, here are your basic formats for HTML, .html, and HTML. That's it. Other formats commonly associated with HTML formats, .js, which is JavaScript used to do client-side programming for your page, and .css, cascading style sheets used to style your page and make your page look pretty. Here are some examples of what these files will look like on your Windows Explorer: index.html, default.html, style.css, myscript.js, and that's what it would look like on your File Explorer. All right, this is what your file structure should look like for starting any website or even just practice website. You have your main folder, your image folder, your style folder, then your HTML files. The example: you have your my style, my site. In your my site folder, you have your image folder. In your images, you have your basic images like logo and a picture. And then you have your styles folder. In your styles folder, you have all the style sheets that you'll be using. Then within your main folder, you have all the HTML files that you will be using for your website. All right, here's the basic structure of an HTML document. You have the doc type HTML, which describes it as an HTML5 document. We have the beginning HTML tag, and after that we have the head tag, and here we put stuff that the browser sees but the user doesn't necessarily see. Then we have the body tag, whatever you put in the body tag the user sees. Then at the end we have the end HTML tag that ends the document for whatever page you're working on. All right. When designing a web page, we have to think about the desktop, what our page is going to look like on the desktop. And what is it going to look like when we go on a mobile phone? This is all part of modern web design. We have to think about what's going to look like on a desktop and on a mobile phone. This has gotten easier over the years, but it's stuff we have to think about. All right. That is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so you can be notified. And if you feel generous, hit me up on Cash App. Thank you.